So this is the new Rplate Pro. It's a digital license plate. So it replaces your rear license plate in your car. It has a built-in GPS system for vehicle tracking and telematics. But as you can see, it is able to alternate from black to white background with black or white letters. This one is currently branded as Galpin Ford. But not only will it offer automatic DMV renewal, safety messages, let's say during Amber Alerts, if the car is ever stolen, and eventually some marketing ads. So while the car is at a standstill, or if you're a dealership, you can do some pretty neat messages. So if you're delivering a vehicle for a client, if you're a rideshare company picking up a client, you can ultimately change that. See, this is the demo of if it's ever detached or stolen, so it'll know. Not only will you be able to find it, it cannot be reused or reassigned. Once again, Rplate Pro, rplate.com from Reviver Auto.